Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming cable type and ports so you get predictable speed. First, inspect the RJ45 connector for bent pins and choose Cat5e or Cat6 for gigabit. Damaged cables cause link failures. Next, position the router or switch near your PC and plan the cable route, using clips to avoid kinks. Once done, align the clip on the plug and push until it clicks. You should feel a tactile lock, which ensures an electrically solid connection. You now make the OS recognize the physical link and request network settings. Open Device Manager or Network Settings and ensure the Ethernet adapter is enabled. Drivers may need updating if it shows an error. Then choose DHCP to obtain an IP automatically, or manually enter a static IP, correct subnet mask, gateway, and DNS when required by your network. Once configured, check the link/activity lights on both ends and run ipconfig or ifconfig to confirm you have a valid IP and route. You finish by confirming full connectivity and resolving common faults. First, ping an IP like 8 to confirm basic routing, then ping a hostname to ensure DNS works. This isolates problems quickly. If you see no link light or limited access, swap the cable and try another router port to rule out hardware. Make sure drivers are current and disable Wi-Fi to prevent metric conflicts. If issues persist, restart the router and PC. One key
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.